This is the first of a series of short videos which will help you develop your skills in information searching and management. The videos have been placed in the Learning Materials area of your Blackboard module, Week 1 folder, Session C folder, titled Introduction to Literature Searching. Our aim now is to build up your skills from last year. You will see that the approach is a more systematic way of searching and recording what happens. Done well, this is great preparation for your later assignments, even level 6. Sheffield Hallam buys a vast range of resources that you can use. Moving from library search to the databases, you will notice that the library doesn't subscribe to all the articles in the database. If you really need to get hold of an article to which we don't subscribe, we can order it for you via our document supply service. Generally, you will see the document supply link when you click on the Show Links button. You will see this in action in a later video. There will also be times when you need to do an internet search, and sometimes you will use all 3 resources where you are doing a literature search. A bibliographic database indexes the contents of academic journals, and it allows you to find out which journals have published articles about a particular topic. You will find your key databases by selecting the Journals and Databases tab on your Nursing and Midwifery subject guide. Here's a question to consider, and it will help you develop your search skills. I'll talk about this a little more in the second installment of this lecture. Thank you.